Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can contact the customer service in the United Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Help and Settings section, click on the Help Center button. So if you scroll down, look for the Contact Us button and just click on that. And as you can see, there are several ways to get in touch with them, so you can message them. And there are also several phone numbers available for different problems and questions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.